My name is Christoph Stock. I'm the direct representative of Innsbruck Tourism, and my specialty is all infrastructure and holiday tourism in the 40 holiday villages. The building was constructed here in 1520 and we last renovated in 2004, which is the current status of our three-storey headquarters, spanning approximately 3,800 square metres and the workplace of approximately 75 employees. We're also open on the weekend, and here is the Information Hall, the heart of Innsbruck information, where more than 500,000 people come on 365 days a year. We considered carefully which locking system to use and decided on the electronic locking system from Winkhaus, for the simple reason that it offers plastic and lightweight keys, as well as the ingenious flexibility of the system. Winkhaus was already installed previously as the old system, probably 30 years ago and more, and blueSmart was then installed as the electronic version from Winkhaus. Now we can program the keys ourselves in-house via the EDP system, and as sometimes occurs with a large number of employees, keys get lost from time to time. Then all you need to do is deactivate them and it's done. You don't need to be afraid that there's another master key out there somewhere. Installing or converting or replacing the locking system is no issue at all. It's not a dirty job, nor does it involve a great deal of technical effort. Compared to other companies, the support is simply exceptionally good. For instance, you always have a contact point at any time of day. You can see that it's a family business, and as I said, the cooperation is very pleasant.